Before you head out into the wild, it's important to plan your meals and pick only the must-have cooking tools and pots. A lot of campers pack too much stuff they don't need and forget the important things. We don't want you to make that mistake. So, we've put together a list of the best camping cooking items based on how well they work and what they do. Let's get started. Planning a camping adventure? Get ready to take your outdoor cooking to the next level with the Omnia Stovetop Oven. It's super easy to use. No fancy installation required. Just plop the stainless steel base over your heat source, such as a camping stove, and place the round aluminum food container on top. Now, here's where the magic happens. The heat from the stove spreads across the bottom of the container and rises up through a special lid with a hole for ventilation. This clever design helps cook your food evenly, just like a regular oven. And speaking of food, the Omnia lets you whip up all sorts of delicious treats. From cakes and muffins to casseroles, bread, and even pizza, you can do it all. Plus, it works with different types of stoves. So whether you're using gas or a portable camping stove, you're good to go. Are you a coffee fanatic? Then you'll love the Mini Presso NS2. It's your go-to solution for getting that perfect espresso fix while you're out adventuring. The Mini Presso NS2 works its magic with special NS capsules. These little capsules make brewing espresso in the wild a breeze. They're already filled with precisely ground and measured coffee, so you get the same great taste every time. Using it is a piece of cake. Just pop in a capsule, pour in some hot water, and pump away with the piston. Before you know it, you'll have a rich, full-bodied espresso ready to go. Just what you need to fuel up for your outdoor escapades. So, whether you're camping in the woods or hiking up a mountain, the Mini Presso NS2 ensures you never have to compromise on your coffee cravings. Need a trusty stove for your outdoor cooking adventures? Meet the half-gen camp stove from Jetboil. This versatile stove can be used on its own or link up with other JetLink-compatible stoves to create your outdoor kitchen. With a whopping 10,000 BTUs, it can boil water in just over 3 minutes. That means you can quickly whip up a hot beverage or melt snow for water. Jetboil's regulator technology lets you fine-tune the heat from a gentle simmer to a rolling boil, so you're in control of your cooking every step of the way. It comes with a handy 9-inch fry pan that's coated with ceramic for non-stick goodness. Perfect for cooking up everything from eggs to burgers without any hassle. The half-gen camp stove is easy to clean, so you can spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying the great outdoors. Meet Barbaram Mini, the ultimate camping grill designed to make outdoor cooking a breeze. Unlike those tricky traditional grills, Barbaram Mini keeps things simple and easy. Just a quick flick and you're ready to cook. No more struggling with complicated setups or bulky gear. With its thick grill, you can start cooking in seconds, feeding up to 4 hungry campers with its spacious cooking surface. And here's the fun part. With the grill's wings unfolded, you can easily add spices or food to your heart's content. Plus, it's super versatile. Whether you're into coal, wood chips, pellets, or even stick grills on the ground, Barbaram Mini can handle it all. So next time you're out camping, bring along Barbaram Mini for hassle-free, delicious outdoor meals that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. Thinking about whipping up some delicious Alfredo chicken pasta and veggies at your campsite? Let me introduce you to the Jetboil Genesis base camp system. This gem comes with a 5-liter pot and a 10-inch non-stick fry pan. Perfect for those warm stews or any meal you're craving in the great outdoors. It's powered by a propane tank and boasts foldable dual burners with a 10,000 BTU heating system, meaning you can boil water in just over 3 minutes. Plus, it's super easy to carry around in its durable bag, fitting all the bits and pieces neatly. Whether you're in the hills or far from civilization, this stove has you covered. Grab the Jetboil Genesis base camp system and get ready for tasty adventures. Next, meet the Napoleon Travel Q Portable BBQ Grill. A portable dual burner, it's perfect for grilling up tasty treats like chicken, pizza, and more. With 285 square inches of space and powerful 12,000 BTU dual burners, you can grill 20 burgers or even a whole chicken on this beauty. The cast aluminum design ensures durability, while the wave cooking grids give your food those coveted sear marks. Plus, with the ASCII Heat Probe temperature gauge, you can keep an eye on the grill's temperature for perfect results every time. Whether you're cooking for a small group or a big party, this grill has got your back. The GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cookstation trademark is made of durable aluminum and alloy steel, ensuring it's tough and long-lasting. This cookstation has a countertop, 4 side tables, and a storage rack, all able to hold between 30 to 48 pounds. This means you can keep all your cooking essentials neatly organized. But the best part is, it folds up flat and has a carry handle. That means you can easily take it with you on your camping trips. The GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cookstation trademark ensures you can cook at your campsite without the hassle of creating a mess or dealing with disorganization, keeping your outdoor cooking experience smooth and enjoyable. Our second essential gear pick is the BioLite Camp Stove Complete Cook Kit. This kit is like a mini kitchen in the woods, making your outdoors cooking experience top-notch. It includes a stainless steel stove that generates 3 watts of electricity from burning sticks, twigs, and other biomass, so you can cook your meals and charge your devices at the same time. It also comes with a flex light that provides 100 lumens of brightness, making it easy to finish chores after dark. This BioLite Camp Stove Complete Cook Kit has everything you need to cook, grill, boil, and even light up your camping adventures. It's like having a portable kitchen that adds a touch of convenience and fun to your outdoor experience. Introducing one of the must-have cooking gears for camping, the Camp Chef Everest 2X Camping Stove. Made from durable cast aluminum and steel, this high-pressure stove is built to last. Its matchless auto-ignition system delivers a powerful 20,000 BTU heat, 20,000 BTU heat output each, for quick and precise cooking. Plus, it features a 3-sided windscreen to keep the flames strong, even in windy conditions. With 215 square inches of cooking space, this 12-pound stove provides plenty of room to cook large batches of meals comfortably during your camping adventures. When you're gearing up for a couple of days in the wild, meal prep is key. That's where the GSI Outdoors Bugaboo Camper Cook Set comes in handy. It's got everything you need: a 3-liter pot, 2 strainer lids, BPA-free mugs, bowls, plates, and even a sink for cooking and dining outdoors. Made from durable materials like non-stick aluminum, nylon, polypropylene, and silicone, these items promise long-lasting performance. Even though it's loaded with cooking gear, it's super easy to pack up and carry, weighing less than 4 pounds. So, you can cook up a storm for your camping crew without any hassle. Whether you're cooking for a small group or a large party, this kit ensures you can prepare delicious meals comfortably and efficiently in the wilderness. Heading out camping? Don't forget the IRODA Jet Lighter. This handy survival tool comes in a pack of 2 and is perfect for starting campfires, lighting BBQs, and more. With its windproof flame and waterproof ignition, it's super safe to use, even in tricky conditions. Plus, it's small but mighty, with a runtime of 37 minutes and a max flame temperature of 2,400 degrees Fahrenheit. With its safety lock and self-igniting electric ignition, it doubles as a mini blowtorch for those gourmet moments, like caramelizing a creme brulee under the stars. Keep one in your pocket, and your campsite BBQs will be safer and more fun than ever. For your summertime camping trips, check out the Igloo BMX Cooler. With rugged blow-molded construction and rubberized T-grip latches, this cooler keeps your drink secure on even the bumpiest roads. Its 52-quart capacity and impressive 5-day ice retention at 90 degrees Fahrenheit ensure you have cold beverages for days. Plus, it's portable and easy to transport to your campsite. The Igloo BMX 52-quart cooler is the perfect companion for keeping your drinks chilled and refreshing all trip long. So, that was our list of 50 amazing camping cooking gear for outdoor cooking. Heading out for a camping trip and can't imagine mornings without your favorite brew? Consider packing the Coffee Gator French press coffee maker. It's not just any coffee maker. It's your gateway to enjoying delicious coffee right by your tent. With a 34-ounce capacity, it's perfect for sharing up to 4 cups with your camp buddies. Its double-layered stainless steel design and double filtration system ensure your coffee stays hot and tastes great for about an hour. Plus, it comes with a handy mini canister for storing your coffee grounds. Imagine sipping on your rich, flavorful coffee while soaking in the beauty of a lakeside or grassland. Let the Coffee Gator French Press be your coffee companion on your next outdoor adventure. For pizza lovers, the Stoke Gas Pizza Oven is here to transform your camping into a gourmet experience. This compact 13-inch carbon steel oven reaches up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit in just 15 minutes, cooking a perfect margarita pizza in only 2 minutes. Its stabilizing legs make it easy to set up anywhere, providing a steady cooking surface. Pack your pizza dough, cheese, and favorite toppings like pepperoni and mushrooms, and you're ready to make delicious pizzas right at your campsite. With the Stoke Gas Pizza Oven, you're all set to become the pizza maestro of the great outdoors. Meet the MyHo Camping Cookware Set, your camp kitchen in one. With 16 pieces, including a non-stick pot, frying pan, kettle, bowls, and utensils, you can cook everything from steak to veggies. These stackable items are easy to carry and have a non-stick, non-toxic anodized coating, making them durable and a breeze to clean. No more wasting time scrubbing dishes on your trip. Instead of packing individual items, grab the MyHo Camping Cookware Set and make your camp cooking easy and fun. This set is your secret ingredient for mastering campsite cooking. Sure, there's something special about cooking over an open flame, but what if you could get that same satisfaction without any of the risks? Enter the Morph Cooker, the world's first electric camp stove that's changing the game. Forget about the dangers of fire, annoying fumes, and smoke. The Morph Cooker keeps your cooking experience safe, simple, and super versatile. True to its name, the Morph Cooker can transform into 6 different cooking tools. Think hot plate, frying pan, pot, and even a grill press. It's like having a whole kitchen in one gadget. Plus, it's not just about the cooking. This clever device offers electric charging options, including a solar panel. So, not only can you cook your meals, but you can also juice up your electronic devices in the great outdoors. If you're all about smart and safe cooking on your adventures, the Morph Cooker is something you've got to see for yourself. Get ready to up your campfire cooking game with the Wolf and Grizzly Cook System. This all-in-one kit includes everything you need for outdoor cooking: cookware set, fire pit, grill, and even a ferro rod for starting fires. Whether you're craving a hot breakfast or a sizzling dinner, the griddle, hibachi, and 2L pot can be combined to cook up any meal over a warm fire. Don't worry about complicated assembly. Setting up is quick and easy, so you'll be cooking in no time. It's the perfect gift for adventurers who love the taste of food cooked over an open flame. Let's step up your outdoor cooking game with the Primus Anya 2-burner stove. This stove is perfect for your camping adventures. It's super stable, with a base that expands to create a secure cooking surface for 2 burners. Plus, it can boil a liter of water in just 4 minutes. Perfect for quick meals on the go. For safety, the burners are connected directly to the gas canister, protected by the base. And check this out. The oak lid doubles as a cutting board or serving platter. Transporting it is a breeze thanks to the integrated carry straps. It's the perfect size for your outdoor trips, whether you're heading to a picnic or a camping adventure. Sure, the charm of a live kitchen is undeniable, but stumbling upon one in the wilderness seems far-fetched, right? Well, maybe not. Say hello to the Nomad Kitchen, your ultimate car kitchen buddy that fits snugly in your SUV, crossover wagon, or van. Imagine a kitchen that's compact, yet packs a punch, with dimensions that make it a perfect travel companion. 25 inches deep, 14 inches long, and 20 inches wide. No more missing out on the comforts of your kitchen. The Nomad Kitchen arrives ready to rock, fully equipped to handle your prepping, cooking, and cleaning needs on the move. It's truly an amazing time to explore the world without leaving the joys of home cooking behind. Forget about waiting for Domino's to deliver pizza in the middle of your adventure. Why not bring the pizza party to the great outdoors with the Oven Plus by Captain Cook? Picture this: the world's first double-deck outdoor pizza oven right at your fingertips, ready to turn your pizza dreams into reality. Whether you're in the mood to grill, bake, stew, or fry, the Oven Plus has got you covered. Imagine tossing a pizza into an oven that's designed with thermal convection, ensuring every inch gets evenly cooked without the need for a spin. And with its patented butterfly burner, you can fire it up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in just 10 minutes. No more hanging around hungry. It's time to get your hands on an Oven Plus. Drinks are a must for camping, but keeping them cool on longer trips can be a challenge. Luckily, the RVR Roll R60 has you covered. With its reliable storage, you can enjoy your favorite beverages without worry, allowing you to relax and enjoy your time outdoors. This cooler isn't just any cooler. It's built tough with a rotationally molded body, airtight gasket, and thick foam insulation. It means your drinks stay chilled for up to 10 days, holding up to 60 cans and 20 pounds of ice without breaking a sweat. If you need extra storage space, the cooler includes a detachable dry bin featuring 2 compartments. This handy feature allows you to store additional items like 4 to 6 bottles of water, meats, bread, and more. Finally, moving it around is completely effortless, thanks to its 9-inch puncture-resistant wheels and durable aluminum pull handle. So, if you want to keep your food and drinks fresh on your outdoor adventure, the RVR Roll R60 cooler is the way to go. Hey outdoor explorers, ever feel like a good meal can turn a camping trip into a memorable adventure? Well, get ready to elevate your outdoor dining game with the Warden Outdoors kitchen set. This awesome set has everything you need for cooking up delicious meals while you're on the go. With 36 handy items included, you'll be all set for cooking and eating in style. It's made from super durable food-grade stainless steel, so you know it's built to last. Plus, it's totally safe for you and your buddies to use. You'll love the deep dish frying pan, kettle, and grill grate that come with it. They're perfect for whipping up all your favorite camping meals, from sizzling breakfasts to hearty dinners. It comes with a nylon table cover to keep your meal free from dust and debris. Plus, it's got wheels, so you can easily roll it around your campsite without breaking a sweat.